Hey guys, Attio's workflow feature has become so awesome. You can literally put workflows and agents into production within a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did it for a specific use case. So the workflow that you see on my screen is something that I created last year, and I had to manually literally set up the entire workflow. I had to map all of the fields. I had to look into, how do lists get updated? What are the specific formulas that I'm sort of wanting to create? And this is a workflow that I created. And here's how the new workflow staging looks like. And I'm gonna, walk you through what's been happening behind the scenes. So if you see over here, I literally chatted with the agent on what I want to create. What I'm trying to do in this case is I want the agent to look at all my Fireflies meetings from the previous day. Transcripts and notes that get synced with all of the deals within Attio. And I wanted to summarize the action items for me. Now, if you see over here, these are steps that I did not create from my end. These were steps that the agent created on its own. It figured out a recurring schedule, in this case 8 a.m. in the morning. It created a custom agent. All these prompts that you see is something that I didn't write on my own. I basically gave only these instructions, and they have, by default, it has used Claude Sonnet 4.6, and it is creating this prompt where, it's looking through the note, it's, summarizing action items for me. And the next step it's doing is it's posting the message for me on a Slack channel. All I had to do was, let the agent know which Slack channel it needs to go into. The next thing I also wanted was to get this, the summary or the task enrolled into a sequence. So I gave an additional instruction over here. It was not going to figure out, the sequence on its own. It asked me to manually start a sequence so that it can then start sending out emails. So I gave that additional set of information, and here it is. The entire workflow was just built within literally 5 minutes, and I did not have to touch anything else. This is a huge upgrade in terms of building agents within CRM. I can see how all of the sales and marketing activities can get much smoother, much seamless, much more efficient, with better handoffs happening within people. If you want to try out Attio's workflows agents, guys, please ping me. I could help you out with setting this up. Thank you.